Back in.
Watch out, there's someone down there. See him.
I know. Right, Colin, keep moving, keep moving.
Keep moving.
Right, get down.
Where's my shield used to?
Right, quick, there's 3 stumps this way. Quick. In there, quick. Quick, down.
They've got our position. Ewan, nobody likes you in the game. Very Marcus should be coming on your left. I got fully on. Why don't you move out and get you?
You're not even firing! Right, quick, bring the VIP, bring the VIP! Bring the VIP! Bring the VIP, everyone's hit, quick! Back in. Hit! Quick, just put me in. Yeah, I saw that. The VIP's hit. The VIP's hit!
Oh, VIP's hit. Stop shooting, the VIP's hit! Yeah! Somebody kept firing at my back.
How did my dad get back in?
I don't know. Who got that one?
No, don't even attempt to shoot them yet. Anyone who's using an automatic gun, don't even attempt. Duncan, you're the only one.
We started this thing, and now we're on top. Everybody's trying to knock us off.
We should shoot them,
It's us versus them. We must protect this house. Will you protect this house? I will. An armor.
Okay, that dropped to the left. Don't bother shooting at them, Hamish. None of your bullets making it, Hamish. Hamish, you're not firing. Right, me and you keep an eye. No, because we can't leave that area. That's a good place sitting there. See, they're out of range. So are they. No, he's not doing any damage. That is so annoying. They just tag each other back in and they get hit anyway. Right, their bullets are gonna curve way. Well, that was quite close actually, that one. I'm hit. I'm hit.
I will.
Back in. Tyron is effective to shooting. I'm pretty sure he was using full auto. Did he use full auto there? Where are they? Where are those two? Where are those two? Right, you keep an eye on them. Wow, so close. Hey, that's full auto, Tyron.
No full auto.
Ah. Curvy bullets. Oh, I got it right ahead.
Oh, nice dead.
No, you in. Holy macaroni, that's terrifying. Oh, we better watch time. You're out of ammo. You have used 300 bullets. You've used 300 bullets. Well, just go and tell Kirk. Just walk out. What? Well, just pretend you've got ammo. You can still scare them. I read that was not even on. Hey, Mrs. Hit. Wait. Right, me and Sam just watched Taron. What about Kenny? Where's Kenny? Where's Kenny? Where's Kenny? This has got really good range. So Kenny and him. It's okay, I've got my dad who comes round. Where's Kenny? Keep an eye on them. Hit! I'm hit!
Yeah, that's right. I got you now.
Keep...
He's coming in, he's coming.
Come. Hello? I can't, I'm dead. He's back in! Oh! Why is he going straight out? I'm pretty sure I shot him as soon as he came around, but he just wanted to shoot me, so. Oh wait, that's the second time I'm out. Oh, I might.
Okay.
Yeah, I got shot twice. Yeah, I got shot twice.
We must protect this house. Will you protect this house?